The Nothing Phone 3A Lite is one of those devices that doesn't try to act bigger than it is. It doesn't chase the flagship hype, it doesn't pretend to reinvent smartphones. It just focuses on giving you a clean, reliable, good-looking experience at a price normal people can justify. And honestly, in 2025, that alone makes it stand out. From the moment you pick it up, the phone feels familiar but refreshing. The transparent inspired back is still here, but simplified. The Panda glass on the front and back, paired with a plastic frame, keeps the weight at a comfortable 199 grams. It's thin at 8.3 millimeters, and the IP54 splash resistance means you don't need to panic if you're caught in a light rain or drop a few drops of water on it. Nothing didn't overdo the design, but it does feel more premium than a phone in this price range usually does. When you turn on the display, that's when the light stops feeling light. You're greeted by a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel, 120Hz refresh rate, and support for 1 billion colors. The brightness climbs all the way to 3000 nits peak, which is honestly crazy for a phone around 250 euros. Outdoor visibility, excellent. Watching HDR content, smooth and punchy. Even simple things like scrolling through apps feel more fluid because of the high refresh rate. It's one of the best displays in its class, no debate. Now let's talk power. The Dimensity 7300 Pro isn't meant for hardcore gamers, but paired with 8GB of RAM, it handles daily tasks confidently. Social media, multitasking, switching between heavy apps, it stays smooth. Nothing OS 3.5 on Android 15 is lightweight, minimal, and very nothing. Clean animations, no unnecessary apps, and 3 promised major Android upgrades. For a Lite model, that long-term support is rare. Storage options are simple, 128 or 256GB. And thankfully, nothing kept the microSD card, so you can expand if you need to. In 2025, that's a blessing. Cameras are straightforward too. The 50-megapixel main camera with OIS is the highlight. Photos come out sharp with good contrast, especially in daylight. Dynamic range is handled well, and OIS helps during nighttime shots to reduce blur. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide is serviceable for landscapes and group photos, and the 2-megapixel macro is mostly just there. Video maxes out at 4K 30fps, and Gyro EIS actually does a solid job stabilizing movement. The 16-megapixel selfie camera handles social media photos nicely with natural skin tones. Battery life is one area where nothing didn't cut corners. The 5000 mAh battery easily survives a full day, even with heavy display use. Charging is 33 watts, giving you 50% in about 20 minutes. There's also 5-watt reverse wired charging, which is surprisingly handy for accessories. Extras, you get the under-display fingerprint scanner, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and good GPS accuracy. The only drawback is the lack of a headphone jack and a speaker setup that's okay, not amazing, but at this price, it's expected. So, what's the final verdict? The Nothing Phone 3A Lite isn't trying to be the fastest, the most powerful, or the most camera-heavy phone. It's trying to be the most balanced, honest, and user-friendly phone in its category. And it succeeds. A bright AMOLED screen, reliable performance, great battery life, a stable main camera, expandable storage, and 3 years of updates, all for a mid-range price. If you value clean software, long-term usability, and a modern design without breaking your budget, this phone deserves a spot on your shortlist. And now I'm curious, what's the one feature you never compromise on when buying a new phone?